The Rack Shop is proud to present this 5th generation Toyota 4Runner that formerly had the raised side rail. We removed those to install the Front Runner Slimsport roof rack kit. This one happens to be the Lightbar ready model. That's with the cutout in the front for the 40-inch light bar. However, you can order it with the full wind fairing if you do not want to add a light bar to it. So you see here the end of the bars all have a gateway that makes it really easy to add or subtract hardware for different accessories that you may or may not want. So a really great low profile system. This is a no drill system, although you do have the option to drill the front points in for a more sturdy connection. However, the middle and the rear points offer a very stable and secure rack. So you can see here it's a super low profile system, so really clean, fits the roof quite nicely, and can handle pretty much anything you can throw at it. So this has just been a quick walk around for this vehicle. So for more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete system with a couple clicks, visit the link in the description below. But that's it for this one. But like always, thanks for watching.